Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and I just got back from a Maui trip, and I'll just show you a couple pictures here. And one of the things on this trip, it was really fun just hanging out with my best friend and his wife, as well as my wife, of course. But Paul, he brought this cool little gimbal along with him, and it actually looks like this right here. This little gimbal, and he was recording videos with it. And I was jealous. I was like, wow. So I ended up going and purchasing this gimbal on June 7th, so pretty recently. And I came home from Maui and I was like, okay, let's set this thing up. So I have the biggest iPhone there is. And so I put it into this and I went to shoot a video and it was off a little bit. I went through the auto calibration, I went through all these things and it was still off. It was tilted a little bit and it was driving me crazy. So I looked for videos and everything and nothing explained it perfectly. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the calibration on my phone is the biggest phone there is for iPhone right now. But I think this will work for anything, any phone, because it allows you to auto calibrate it. We're going to calibrate the DJI OM5 version. So there's two things you're going to need, and I like to just put them right here on the front page. So the measure app. So as you can see, when I put my iPhone inside of the gimbal, it's -1 degree. And that was what I was noticing, and it was just driving me crazy. You're also going to need the DJI Mimo, MIMO app. And this is what will allow you to change the settings and calibrate it. Okay, so you need those two apps. I just put them on my home screen here to make them easy to find. And then you're also going to need, of course, the gimbal itself, and put your iPhone in the gimbal and attach it. And then I'm going to show you how to calibrate it. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is do the auto calibration. We'll do that first. So you click on the DJI Mimo and then connect your device. It might actually ask you to connect it. So connect it, get it all connected. Once everything is connected, your iPhone's connected to the device. You click up here on the top left corner, the three dots, and then it might be on this screen or this screen up here, but the middle one is the one we're looking for, the middle button at the top where it says gimbal. And then we're going to go ahead and do the gimbal auto calibration first. So you click on that and then you're going to click start. And then it's going to take it through this run where it's really fast actually. And it just turns your phone, does a whole bunch of things. And then once it's done, it'll say complete. And then you're going to go from there. And I'm going to show you how to do some micro adjustments. As you can see, it's 80% now, 90%, almost done. So we'll just wait till it's completely done. Okay, there it is. Gimbal calibration success. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK. And then on the gimbal itself, there's a under the record button. If you double click it, it'll take you to, oh, there it is. So anyway, let me get it off of me real quick. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do some micro adjustments. So if I go down here and click on the measure, you'll see that it's off by 1 degree. And that drives me crazy. I notice it. Maybe I'm OCD. I don't know. So let's go ahead and measure and get that to 1 or 0% because we want this level. So you're going to make this sure it's on a flat surface. So then you're going to go back up here to the three dots. And then right here it says, so go back to the middle one. You're going to click on horizontal gimbal adjustment. My measurement was a little bit off when I was putting my phone onto the gimbal. So that's one thing you're going to want to make sure you do. And what's cool is this app will tell you how to do it. So you just push your iPhone up a little bit until the clamps are basically exactly where they should be. So that was one thing that was off. It was about this far off. All right, so now that's on. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then right here is where you do the manual adjustment. So we are 1 degree off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it 1 degree right there. We're going to click done. And I'm going to go over to the measure app and see if we're good. Look at that. We're perfect. So as you can see, we are now level. So that's how you do it. Again, just to recap, you just go into the DJI app. You click on the three dots, you auto calibrate first, then you do the horizontal gimbal adjustment, make sure these are centered. And then right here, you just change it to the 1 degree to the right and then click done. And what's cool is this will preserve your settings. So you don't have to do this again later. And you just throw your iPhone on there. You might want to make sure that's centered or just remember how to center the bracket on the phone just so that it's perfect. But now I can shoot my videos, it's level, and I no longer have to worry about that, my OCD-ness and making me crooked a little bit. So that's how you auto calibrate it as well as manual adjust it to make sure your phone is level. And if you want to pick this up, here's an Amazon link in the description. We do get paid when you purchase that through our link because I am an Amazon affiliate. And I only promote products that I personally use. As you can see, I purchased this myself. So I'll have that in the description. It's on a sale right now at the time of this video. It might not always be that way, but my friend actually paid 159 for this. So it's 129 right now. It's pretty cool. And last but not least, if you are open to taking a look at how I earn an income online, I've been in affiliate marketing since 2011, and I show other people how to earn a living online. So if you want to go check that out at seekprosperity.com, I can help you. I can coach you on how to make some extra income from home. So go to seekprosperity.com if you want to learn more about that. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know any questions you have in the comments. I'm happy to answer those for you. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.